Welcome everyone. To use dual SIM, if you have a regular iPhone that is not from Hong Kong, then I have some bad news for you. So if I just eject the SIM card here, I'm just going to eject the SIM card. There we go. All iPhones which are not from Hong Kong or China are only going to have one physical SIM card slot. You can see right here. And the other side, you can't put a SIM card in, so only one. And what that means is to get the dual SIM, you're going to need to use one physical SIM card. And once you've done that, you will need to set up an eSIM. So let's say you put the SIM card in, this iPhone has one SIM in. For the second SIM, you're going to open the settings. And from here, you're going to tap on mobile network, cellular network, mobile service, one of these options. And you should see here, add eSIM. So you're going to select this one. And eSIM is a virtual SIM card. So if you have a physical SIM, a second physical SIM, let's say I have this SIM here and I want to insert this, you will need to contact the carrier to convert your physical SIM into an eSIM. And once you've done this, you can select use QR codes. The carrier will give you a QR code via email and you just scan the QR code. Okay. And once that's done, the eSIM will be added and you'll be good to go. In the UK, eSIM isn't really adopted, so I can't do that, which means I can't use the second SIM card. But if you are in the United States, every carrier supports eSIM because Apple made the iPhone's eSIM only, which was very smart by them. But in other countries, there is a good chance the SIM card can't be converted to eSIM, which means you can only use one SIM. And in that case, I'd recommend you get a second iPhone, like a cheap one, like the iPhone 6 or the iPhone 6s. You can get these really cheap, and you would just put the second SIM card in this iPhone instead. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.